Thank you to our beloved volunteers. I cannot begin to say how much of a difference you make. This ministry only runs because of the many, many people that are giving of themselves, of bringing their light, their presence, their joy, their creativity, their willingness to serve, and to be a presence for one another. It's the way we create community. And so there's no possible way to say thank you enough to our volunteers and for all that you bring and all that you do and all the ways that you elevate and and escalate the energies of this ministry. Your vibration, your heart and soul, your leadership gifts, that is what creates all the possibilities that we create together. Because without those who are willing to come in and take leadership, take responsibility, follow up on doing whatever tasks, I watch, whether it's coming up with an idea and fulfilling it, or it's cleaning the kitchen, or greeting one another, or sharing your light through the sound and the AV, or all the ways. I mean, there's so many ways that people serve that are unseen. The information technology that's behind the scenes, Facebook live stream, that happens all because of volunteers. Really, everything that we are and everything that we do is because of you. And my heart is just bursting with gratitude. You know, running the bookstore, doing the money counts, serving on the board of trustees, providing leadership to this ministry. I'm here as your spiritual leader because the volunteers have created a dynamic ministry and invited me to come in and serve. But it wouldn't happen without all of you. And so I just want to say how much of a difference you make. I'm looking forward to another great year at the garage sale and all of the many activities and events that we do throughout the year. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want to acknowledge that our staff go above and beyond and volunteer their time as well. So I acknowledge them, not just all the many things they do as a staff, but as volunteers that go above and beyond, and for the musicians that go above and beyond and volunteer their efforts. I mean, there's so many ways. So I know I'm only mentioning a few, all the teachers and the youth leaders and those that take our kids on rallies for the weekend. All of that is done through volunteer efforts. And it blesses me and blesses the lives of everyone in this community. We are all in this together, and I'm grateful, grateful, grateful. I love you all so much, and I thank you and look forward to all that we're going to create together this year at Unity Bay Area, Houston. You are the best ever. Love you.